Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 ways you could make money online that actually work. All of these ways are scalable, meaning that they could start off as something small, as a side hustle, and quickly grow into something large that makes a full-time income, potentially even 6 figures. Number 1 on the list is email marketing. As you can see right here, this is my MailChimp account, where you can see some of the statistics on my mail list. Now, my mail lists are not huge. I am not going to brag about them. They're not something that are making me a ton of money, but they do make me some money, and they are pretty easy to build. There's 2 general methods for building mailing lists. Number 1 is to build up a source of organic traffic, whether it's Instagram, a YouTube channel, a blog, a Steam account, a Facebook account, anything along those lines. You build up a source of organic traffic where you could reach people and you get them to voluntarily opt into your email list. Another way, another route rather, you could go is the paid route, which involves doing Facebook and Instagram ads to get people to opt in to your page. If you're going that route, I highly recommend you have a free product to recommend to kind of sweeten the pot a bit and get people to opt in, whether it's a little quick ebook you wrote, a little quick tip sheet you wrote, like maybe you're doing like music production or something along those lines, and you have the top 10 synthesizers for 2019 or something along that, and you have a little list or something. That's just an idea. But yeah, you want to either do organic traffic or paid traffic. Those are your 2 general routes. You could do a mix of both, of course. And once you build up your list, you will shoot emails whenever you can. I don't do it very often anymore because I have other things I have going on. You know, it just, again, it wasn't making me a ton of money, but it was making me actual real money, and it was actually fairly quick. You know, it doesn't take that long to write up an email, and you throw an affiliate link in there for a product, and there you go. Then if your email list has 100 people on it, maybe you get 2 or 3 sales on that one email. It really depends on your conversion rates and things along those lines. And then of course you want to grow your email list. You don't want to. Mine only has like 150 followers, I believe, but you want to get it into thousands, because then you could really ramp up your emails and start making more money. Do an email a day. Let's say you do an email every day on an email list that has 1,000 people on it. If you even get a couple sales a day of like 10, 15 bucks, you're already making an okay side income, and then you scale up from there. You reinvest that money into paid advertisements and grow your list even more, and it just scales. Again, paid email marketing is the way to go, and you can make money if you do it right and you're in the right niches. Again, you can't have a general list with this. You can't just be like, hey, everyone subscribe to my email list. It has to be in a niche, whether it's music production, cars, e-commerce, anything really, anything online there's an interest for, and you could actually make decent money doing this. If you want to know more about email marketing, comment below and subscribe to the channel. That way I know to talk about it in a future video. Maybe I'll do an in-depth tutorial on how to do email marketing in the future. If you want to see that, subscribe and comment below. Next up, guys, is Instagram. Instagram is a great way to make money. It's very similar to email marketing, where you build up organic traffic or a actual you do paid ads, and then once your account is a decent size, you could do affiliate offers, sell products. I sell merchandise through my Instagram. Mine is in the niche of a specific music genre and art genre, and the only reason I'm blocking out the name and stuff is because I would feel weird if some people from here went over there and that boosts up my numbers. I wouldn't feel like it's authentic. That's why only reason why I'm blurting it out. And yeah, Instagram is a great way to build up organic traffic. And look, if you could get your account to even 10,000 followers, and you could start doing affiliate offers through your stories, and you know, the swipe up offer, swipe up to purchase this product. Again, you want it to be in a niche, just like the email marketing. You don't want to have a variety Instagram. You want it in something very specific, 1 or 2 things at most. and you want to do that, and you really want to hustle at post every day, create some original content, do some reposting content. Make sure if you're reposting content, you change it a little bit, because that changes the hashing algorithm on it, so you don't get hit with copyright claims. And make sure you always credit the original author of the content when you can. Say you're reposting pictures of cars or whatever. Make sure you change the picture a little bit through like change the brightness up a little bit, just a little bit, and that changes the hashing algorithm on it. That way you won't get, I know I just repeated this, but that way it's really important, because you don't want to get shadow banned. That way you don't get hit with any copyright things, because that will hinder and slow down your growth. You definitely want to do that. Alright guys, last up on the list is learning to trade stocks and cryptocurrency. This does carry some more risk with it, and it will require some education, whether you find an online course or you do it through YouTube videos. There are people I know personally who are making a lot of money doing this. I used to do this really often with cryptocurrency. I never really did it with stocks as much. I just felt cryptocurrency was more fun because there was more movement in it and the prices were more extreme. But again, stocks, cryptocurrency, if you learn how to do technical analysis on these commodities, you can learn to anticipate when the price is going to go down or up. Again, there is no 100% in this. Everything is about increasing your chances. Every trader will make some mistake over their career, and you have to keep that in mind. There will be learning curves. There will be mistakes made. You will lose money here and there, but it is something a lot of people do. I mean, you see Goldman Sachs even, they have traders on their board because it works. Technical analysis does work. It just isn't always 100%. There are always exceptions to that, but TradingView is a good platform to use if you're going to try trading, and they have a lot of technical indicators. They're not sponsoring this. I'm not affiliated with them at all, but they were what I started using when I began trading, not probably about 2 years ago when I started trading, and I learned a lot using them, and I even carry that knowledge today when it comes to value investing and things along that line. Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it. I will catch you in the next one, and have a great day.